What if you could instantly earn respect from everyone around you? Would it be possible? And what could you do to change that? Well, if you stick around, in this video, we'll uncover 5 tips you'll wish you knew them sooner to unlock instant respect. Let's get started. 1. Stop apologizing. People who are constantly saying, "I'm sorry," without giving it a second thought, are usually not the ones that are well respected. There is a time and place for apologies. It's important to recognize when it's important and appropriate to apologize, and when it's not necessary, especially in the workplace. Instead of apologizing for every small mistake, you should try to take ownership of the situation and show that you are trying to learn from it. This is a great way to show respect for yourself and for others. 2. Have a moral code. Many overlook this important little piece of advice. What do you believe in? What's important to you? What makes you mad and want to change the world? These kinds of questions will get you to the core of your own personal moral code. Having a moral code not only helps you to make difficult decisions, but also to command respect from others. Because a clear moral code shows that you are principled and that you take your responsibilities seriously. People tend to respect those that have a strong sense of personal integrity and who can be relied upon to make the right decisions. Having a moral code also enables you to take a leadership role, as people can trust that you will act in accordance with your beliefs. So, figure it out and share it with the world in small amounts. All the great leaders of the world have a clear moral code. 3. Learn to say no. Do you have trouble with saying no to someone you admire or to someone who has significant influence over your life, such as a boss, friend, family member, or coworker? Well, if you wanted to get respected, you must learn to say no once in a while without feeling guilty for it. You don't need to agree to everything that someone asks from you, especially if it is a superior or a client. Sometimes, you get to be more respected by saying no, rather than agreeing to everything. When you say no, you show that you respect yourself, and you're not afraid of admitting that your work and time are your priorities. So remember, there is great power in saying no, and sometimes it's the best answer for everyone. 4. Stop talking. Sometimes you need to stop talking and listen. People who talk endlessly without pause are not usually respected. Listen to others while trying to understand them, and stop talking about yourself all the time. Use silence to your advantage. Not every pause should be filled up with noise. Listening to others can help build trust, allow for mutual understanding and growth, and deepen your relationships, which will ultimately result to get respected. Taking a moment to consider a thing before you open your mouth is almost always going to command respect. Remember that. 5. Speak up when you're mistreated. Don't just take it when someone is mistreating you or taking advantage of you. Be professional and diplomatic, but don't be silent. Speaking up for yourself is not always easy to do, which is why it is the mark of a person deserving respect. Speaking up when you are being mistreated will gain you respect, as it shows you are assertive and are not afraid to stand up for yourself. It also sets a good example for others who may be going through similar experiences. However, if you are speaking up in an aggressive or disrespectful manner, this could have the opposite effect. So remember, if you find yourself in this situation, be professional and diplomatic, but don't be silent. Because if you want it to be respected by others, you must first respect yourself. By now, you know that respect is earned, not given. But if you follow these 5 tips, you'll be well on your way to unlocking instant respect in no time. So don't wait any longer and start applying these tips today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Your one click can help others find valuable tips that can help them lead a healthier and more fulfilling life. So go ahead and show your support, because every click counts. Thank you for watching. See you next time.